love to take pride in the meals we cook, but cooking at home can be a lot of work. The mess, the time, and the endless search for the right kitchen tool can be frustrating and exhausting. Meet Prepdeck, your complete meal preparation system, designed for an efficient, tidy, and most importantly, enjoyable cooking experience. Prepdeck comes with 15 storage containers and a vast range of prepping tools that are cleverly hidden inside the unit, keeping things together but at your fingertips when you need them. The included accessories replace your common kitchen tools, and they attach seamlessly to the containers, so it's easy to prep, measure, and store your ingredients all in one motion. Designed with both functionality and beauty in mind, Prepdeck's magnetic enclosure doubles as the perfect cutting board, and it's detachable for easy cleaning. An array of color options means you can customize your Prepdeck at any time to match your kitchen or personal style. There is a built-in storage tray for your knives and other utensils, and a sleek tablet and phone attachment is available, making for easy access to your favorite recipes. Whether you cook often or occasionally, follow a recipe, or simply prep on the fly, we designed Prepdeck to support the way you work in your kitchen. And by the way, that storage tray, it's also a trash container. Whether you're the next master chef or new to the kitchen, whether you cook for one or many, Prepdeck saves you time and space and stress by giving you everything you need to prepare delicious meals in one streamlined and beautiful system.
Using your espresso machine. Add coffee beans to the coffee bean container. While the machine is grinding, adjust the coffee grinder knob to your desired grind size. The smallest grind circle results in the smallest grind size, and the largest circle is the largest grind size. The smaller the grind, the stronger the coffee. The steam wand is removable for easy cleaning. First, turn it away from the spout and then pull down. The stainless steel cover is also removable from the steam wand. The steam wand rotates away from the coffee spout for easier use. The coffee spout moves up and down to accommodate different size cups. Press the power button to turn on your espresso machine. The other buttons will appear after the power button has been pressed. Make sure you have a coffee cup or container placed under the dispenser before choosing any functions. Press the button for your desired function. The espresso machine will begin to grind the coffee beans. When the beans are fully ground, the machine will dispense coffee. Please caution, to avoid possible burns, do not touch any liquids or the steam wand during or after steaming. Do not remove the pitcher until steaming is complete. Always hold the milk pitcher by the handle. Hot water will dispense when the hot water button is pressed. To use the steam function, press the steam button. The steam wand light will start flashing. While the steam is preheating, a small amount of water or steam may purge into the drip tray. When the machine has finished preheating, insert the steam wand into the milk. Then press the steam button to dispense. Press the steam button again to finish steaming. Press and hold any function button for 3 seconds until 2 beeps sound. The machine will begin to dispense for the selected function. To choose a new dispense volume, press the function button again. 2 more beeps will sound, and the new dispense volume will be set. If no custom amount is set, the maximum volume will be the custom dispense amount.
Hi, we're Chef Avenue, a brand that creates high-performance, beautifully designed, accessible modern cookware. For the past few years, we've been developing a set of modular and compact pans which are perfect for everyday use. We're excited to introduce you to OmniPan, the multifunctional silicone pan which lets you cook, bake, and steam with ease, and conveniently stack and store when done. OmniPan was created to be all about the taste. In order to ensure optimal browning, its height and thickness were specifically designed for uniform heat circulation. Unlike other old greasy pans coated in dangerous chemicals, OmniPan is made of 100% high-grade silicone, which is naturally non-stick and FDA approved. We've developed OmniPan with a sturdy frame, able to maintain form where other flimsy silicone pans can't. It's a breeze to clean, and its durability eliminates the need for single-use consumables. We've also designed a custom-fit transparent lid, allowing you to watch your food as it cooks. Each lid is equipped with dual steam vents, preventing moisture condensation and giving you full control over the cooking process. OmniPan is oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. We've made 2 different sets to fit all your kitchen needs, the starter set and the mega set. So, use it, stack it, store it.
Vegetarians worldwide have spent years searching for the perfect knife, and now they've found it with Voss. This ceramic, lightweight, and easy-to-use knife stays forever sharp. Slice and dice veggies in moments, cutting, not crushing. Standard stainless steel knives oxidize and blacken when cutting things like lettuce. Not with ceramic. This vegetarian blade is affordable and holds up to knives way above its price point.
The tempting smell of a bakery in your own home. Simply put the ingredients in your Panasonic bread maker, push a button, and enjoy delicious, freshly baked bread anytime. Kneading, rising, baking, everything is automatic. Humidity and temperature is ideal at all stages for perfect timing and delicious bread. Just look at the volume and texture. It's easy to make your own original creations. Baking with the kids is fun too. Bring home that delicious bakery smell with a bread maker from Panasonic.
Introducing the revolutionary Grill Circle, the healthy and versatile 7-in-1 grill and griddle. Grill Circle's raised griddle bars and concave design lifts your food off the surface, so excess oils and fats can drain away from your food and escape through the outlets into the removable, easy-to-clean drip tray. The large capacity griddle gives you perfect sear marks on your food every time. And its unique featured flat frying zone makes it ideal for frying, boiling, and even steaming. Its premium non-stick surface means there's no need for any added oils or fats, meaning no extra fat, calories, or cholesterol in your food. Grill Circle's versatile design lets you grill, saute, boil, steam, fry, barbecue, even fondue. That's an incredible 7 ways to cook in one place. Set to the highest heat for searing succulent steaks, juicy chops, and tasty burgers. Or dial it down and use Grill Circle as a warming tray. And because it's non-stick, cleanup is done in seconds. Grill Circle is great for parties, with a huge capacity to cook more food in less time. And the stay-cool handles mean you can take it straight from the kitchen to the table. Bring the fun back into your cooking. Introducing the Power Quick Pot from JML, a breakthrough innovation in kitchen technology that makes preparing mouth-watering home-cooked meals easy. Now you can make a weeknight dinner your whole family will love. Make pot roast in 25 minutes that tastes like it's been cooking all day. A whole chicken in 20 minutes that's fall off the bone tender. From frozen beef and beans off the shelf to your favorite chili in just 35 minutes. You would need to buy all of these appliances and more to do what the Power Quick Pot can. One countertop appliance that pressure cooks, slow cooks, sears, sautés, boils, steams, even perfectly cooks virtually every kind of rice in minutes with just the push of a button. Easy navigation, 37 one-touch cooking functions. This is not a crock pot. It's not Grandma's old pressure cooker. Cook IQ technology calibrates time, pressure, and temperature to cook any food to perfection. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Quick Pot. Imagine wings from frozen in 10 minutes that are tender and packed with flavor. 4 racks of ribs that are fall off the bone delicious. Creamy mashed potatoes in minutes. What's the secret? The airtight lid locks steam and flavor inside. It has nowhere to go but into your food. The automatic Keep Warm feature keeps your meals at the perfect temperature. There's even a delay feature, so you can prep before work and then set it to be ready when you get home. The cooking pot is stainless steel, so it's not only 100% chemical, PTFE and PFOA free, it's also easy to clean. Go ahead and toss it right in the dishwasher. One touch for perfectly hard-boiled eggs that slip out of their shells. Creamy, rich cheesecake in 25 minutes. Preserve your fruits and vegetables with the canning feature. There's even a preset to make healthy homemade yogurt. You can even make hot, crusty homemade bread in minutes. You could spend thousands on appliances and still not get the results you can get with the Power Quick Pot.